for my number. I was surprised that he asked me for my number. Oh.
This is my neighbor. His little kid trying to get his flight or his kite up. A little more stringo. There you go. Get it up! Ah! His parents over there cooking. Our neighbors. Here's the son. And I think that's a daughter. No, actually that's another neighbor. Aw, I can't get it up. He had it up for a while. Say hi! The wife's all shy. Oh, there we go. Look at him. He got the kite up. Good job. Oh, get it out, get it out. Get it out. Aw, he's getting it. Let it go higher. Let it go higher. You got a good wind. Their neighbors having a good time. They're so cute. The son. I can hear the daughter. Let's see. Hi, sweetie. You gonna wave?